Windshield, and they're actually moving a lot quicker than I thought. Their company name is like Genesis Auto Glass, which just did a quick search on Google, and I mean they came out pretty quickly. But yeah, so just give you guys an update. I busted my windshield about 2 weeks ago on the highway, and it was a pretty big hit from a rock on the highway. And I thought about getting it replaced, but figure it was just a lot better to just get a new one instead of actually fixing the chip. Yeah, so here they are, and we'll see how it comes out. The only thing I have to do after it's done is basically get it tinted again. Right now I have 35% on the windshield, and thinking about going a little darker. I don't know, maybe 30%, or I don't want to go darker than that, since probably won't be able to see shit on the highway anymore or on the road. But yeah, so this is actually the first time I'm getting this done. I mean, I've had this car for a little over 5 years now, and never actually had the windshield cracked or busted, and yeah, so this is a first for me. Alright guys, so I think from start to finish, I think this whole process took around an hour. They basically walked me through the whole process, you know, just because I was asking a lot of questions like I always do. But,